See, I like this tractor better. She likes that tractor better.
This tractor is easier to get in. That tractor has 4 wheels. So that tractor makes it easier to drag it forward. So. I know, I'm sorry.
Oh. That one's like, I could go the other way. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
She's gonna turn this
electrified then.
Yeah, she's gonna turn it back on.
They ran into it, then they're half fried, right? It's like
Sort of.
parboiled, but they're part fried.
Fence is on.
Just make a nice long
It's
run.
supposed to be 100, I think.
And then just have a little door on the end that you can pull up. And
What's it saying?
Because then you like cut down on chicken traffic.
Chicken traffic.
How many do you think are left? About 80?
I think so. I think we lost.
We didn't lose 20, did we?
No, we lost 11, I think. Or no, 14. We lost 14.
So 86.
I was gonna say probably a little bit over 80. Yeah, because you started out about 101, 102, I think, when you.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be this.
Disinfecting table. I'm gonna eventually have to do an intro for your channel so that they know who I am.
Tell who you are. Tell who you are right now.
Not today.
This is Jess. We're over here at the Rockridge Homestead. Right? Rockridge Homestead. And what are we gonna do?
We are gonna butcher a bunch of chickens. A bunch of chickens. Put the chickens in. Tell her it's up there that I normally put drinks in it. She'll know. I think it's blue or white or red. I don't know. I got like 60,000 of them. You know, party things.
Yeah.
To put your drinks in so they look cute. Yeah,
So
one of those. I'm gonna put chickens in it.
Yes, yep. Grab their head right here.
How many are we doing at a time?
It's a heavy bird.
Yeah, I always wanted to be one of those.
Two.
Hold on. Drop them in.
Big.
These guys are huge. We fed fermented feed the entire time on these guys.
Up to last week.
Last week, 2 weeks.
Last week.
Yeah, we put them back on dry so the crops wouldn't be so full.
Where are you going?
That was only 3, wasn't it?
Yep. Drop in. Yep. We'll end up taking it out later, but yeah, we probably will.
All right, we're going to butcher this meat chicken.
Back down.
Okay, first step is to take the feet off, cut straight down at the knuckle.
Of course, I'm not gonna be up on my face.
Do you want the sharp knife?
No, it's all right. So if you look, there's a little dip right here.
Yep, little
So
bit.
that's where we're gonna try to shoot for.
Comes right off.
Okay.
And we save the feet for stock.
That was close.
Okay, make a slit in the skin. fingers in there. Pull it open. You're looking for the crop and the trachea.
And the crop is always on the right, right?
Crop is usually on your right side with your neck facing you. There it is. Get that out of there. Trachea is right next to it. Just going to pull that. That's the esophagus coming up there.
I'll come down now. Yeah, sit down.
So crop, esophagus, and trachea. Got that all loose. Now we're going to turn around and go to the other end of the bird as soon as we cut this neck. Save as much skin as possible. We save this neck skin onto the bird. Okay, cut the neck. Now these necks you can save for stock. However, we're saving them, and there's a crabber that is going to use them for bait. Stick them down here in a bucket and go to the back side. Making a cut. All of the guts should be should be down inside the bird. Okay, open that back cavity, get our hand in.
Sometimes they make noise. It's okay.
Now, open that up. Let's see the inside of the cavity. You can see we've got everything out of there except for the lungs. We have to get the lungs out. That's one lung.
I must have pulled the other one out already.
No, it's in there.
Oh yeah. All of this.
Yeah, cut it off. Cut it right down, cut the butt right out. Straight down.
That's the heart.
That's the heart.
That other big round thing you have over there. I'll show you here in a second.
We'll go over it in just a second.
Okay, pull that gland out.
We gotta
Cut.
figure out how to get these birds to not fly.
Okay, so,
All So, crop
yes, crop,
and
esophagus.
Cut these off.
This is liver. Now it's got the gallbladder on it. You've got to pinch that off. There you go, because you don't want that on your bird or on your livers.
so here's
That's the heart.
so and this is what that one's.
That's the gizzards.
So do we take this off?
Yeah, just pull it off.
told to do. Dude, what? You're kidding me.
No,
Why are you throwing the gizzard?
because I'm not messing with those things.
We didn't know anybody wanted them.
Oh, they do.
Why on earth would you buy them?
Huh?
Okay,
Why would
find
you
a
want
place
that?
to put. Find a place to put it. You got to clean it out.
And stuff, and when it gets in the gizzard, it helps
Oh,
break the
Jeff,
stuff
no.
up.
Okay, so go over this
Down
bird.
22 shells in them
Right.
and everything else.
How do you cook them? I just boil them first. Boil them.
I usually just put them in
There you
pot
go.
noodles and put them all
Now
in.
go over here and wash him up. Go right here.
Into freezer camp.
They were getting ready to drop dead.
That's it?
Yeah, it's 11:31.
We got 2 more kills.
So all you're telling me is that we could have done 200 chickens? I'm just messing with you, John.
No. It's made to catch. What's catching really is very
It's in behind it. It's just it's a
Clean
green
up.
in there.
Yeah.
How do they come out? Do they screw out?
No,
pull
they
out?
just punch in.
They just pop in and out.
So did we cut our first one at 9 or
Yeah.
a little after?
A little after 9, so less than 3 hours for
good, huh?
almost 90 birds.
Now tell them you empty this out now, or
What I,
Well, we'll wait for it to cool.
drain some hot water in here.
Okay, we put our hand over there.
because I want to make sure I don't.
Yeah.
Splash you.
Some hot water in there, nothing worse this thing up. That should be good.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Oh yeah.
It's
That.
Still, it's still hot. But once everybody gets done around here, I'll just open it up and bring
Yeah, we got the gas off, right?
it. Yeah, gas is off, tanks off.
So that's what it does when it gets the temperature. The big burner goes out, and then it relights when it gets below that temperature.
We'll power wash.
It's definitely made a difference.
It has, because if we had a hand dunk these, we'd still be working.
Well, and they wouldn't have got as clean. We were.
Whatever temperature you put this thing up to, leave it.
I haven't
'Cause
touched, I haven't touched it since we've gotten it. Really.
You put the hot water in there. No, but I want muck boots. I should have bought them steel ones.
Like
Yeah, I
these,
know. I want a
I'm
good pair of
telling you,
coveralls,
Sarah,
too.
I love them. These were my birthday present. I never thought I'd be happy that somebody got me muck boots
I saw these
for
really
my
cute
birthday,
steel ones.
but I love them.
I do too.
How do I get this off? I'll do that. You do that.
Okay.
I'll trade it. Cause
Hey, buddy!
Hey!